Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to send HD photos in Facebook Messenger on Android. Instead of sending photos directly from your gallery, here's a trick to maintain high quality. First, open your file manager and find the photo you want to send. Once you've located it, tap to rename the file. Click on the three dots at the top right corner, then select Details. Click on Edit and change the file extension from .jpg to .png. In my phone, this cannot be changed, but in some other it can be, so you may try it on your phone. This helps Messenger keep the quality of the photo intact. Now open Messenger, tap on the photo icon, and select the renamed photo. Hit send and your photo will be sent in higher quality. And that's it. Now you can share HD photos in Messenger easily. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tricks on Tech Tricks tutorial. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!